So, Matt, I was reading about your big mat. Show me what it is.
This is the, well, first of all, this is a food dehydrator, which allows us to create different textures and drier textures without exposing it to very high heat. So we run this at about 105 degrees, and we make these, these wonderful burger patties
Wow.
made from soaked nuts and seeds and mushrooms and vegetables and herbs and things like that. And we just make that mixture and form them into patties and then dehydrate them for a couple days at 105 degrees.
That's great. And it's available on your delivery service?
Yeah, definitely. And these are some dehydrated crackers that we make from almonds and just different ingredients. And you know, it's great. Everybody wants to have a cracker, right? So we've got a healthy version.